Hi guys, hope you're well. It's Matt Feast. I just thought I'd quickly do a video on a blog I've created myself, just to help marketers or newbie marketers online, where to get traffic from and where to get products from, to build your business online. I've done loads of categories, so please go through it. For example, if you want traffic, it's all down here. Okay, I'm going to leave all the links below the video of my blog. For example, we all need traffic, okay? With no traffic, you make no sales. But I've created a blog to make it a little bit easier for you, the companies who I use to get my traffic to my offers, okay, which makes me a good income online. For example, here we go. Right, categories, okay? Let's say solo ads. So you want to get a solo ad, you want to promote your business. So you click on the navigation bar on the right hand side, brings you to this page here, and there's quite a few options of getting traffic. Okay, these are the traffic sources I'm using. For example, let's look at, say, Traffic Zapper. This is a very, very good platform actually, because what it is, at the end of the day, you're getting probably 10 or 15 traffic exchanges, safe lists that you're promoting all at once, which is absolutely amazing. Okay, but please go through this this blog, or my blog. All the information is here. I've done it with all the information you need to promote your business. There's a video there, and it just tells you all about it really. Just scroll down and sign up for free. Okay, and there's other things. There's other platforms as well. Traffic platforms. Click on the right hand side, brings you to the other sources of traffic. There's Leads Ad Space. I've had this one for, good grief, 10 years now, and it's given me good resistant traffic and conversions, because you want conversions, guys. It's all right sending traffic, but you want some conversions. Good company, I like them, and well, I've been with them for 9 years now. And also 100% clicks. I do like this one right at the top here. It's worth looking at. Alright, so if I scroll down, there's other platforms here. Just have a look. Also, Udemy. I've been with this company for 10 years. Yeah, 10 years. Yeah, since 2015. And what it is, if you click on here, it gives you loads of providers who are going to send traffic to their list. So basically, if you watch the video, it tells you all about it, really, how to get traffic and what solo ads to use and who to use and blah blah blah. It's all here for you guys, right? And also, I've got other things here: marketing info, online freelancers. For example, if you're too busy doing something, I'm using a company called Freelancer, and I do use a company called Fiverr.com. Which is, if I scroll down here, okay, so it brings you to the Fiverr page. This is very good if you, put work out to freelancers. Sometimes you can be very busy, with your life sort of thing, yeah. But I do use this company here for, doing my analysing. Sometimes I use them for backlinks for my website, or sometimes I use different aspects of my business. I might need some traffic, or I might need a banner made, or I might need, it's got everything in there. It's great for, if you're very, very busy, just hire a freelancer, and they're very affordable, guys. And also, if you look on the list down here, there's if you're into crypto, so crypto platforms which I'm in. If you just click on there, just scroll down, you get your crypto card if you're into that, or you might be into platforms. If you go to, for example, crypto platforms here, we've got a few I'm in at the moment. Gives me a good passive income. I like this one. This works very well, and also this company here called Aram, very good. They've got their own crypto card as well. And also do DeFi projects, but this is what I do. This is, I build a blog to help people make money online, and also it just gives them a shortcut to find out the best possible way of making money online and also building your online experience. There's design software here. Okay, it's just, I've got everything all in here. If you want traffic, we all need traffic. There's information here. What I use. There's wallets. I do use quite a few crypto wallets, but it's one of my best ones, really, to be honest with you. And also, it's like a credit card as well, And what else is there? Audio books, freelancers, I just discussed. And also trading applications, which is this one here. Oh, sorry, trading. Here we go. Just look at it, Info Money. It's just a program I'm into, and it makes me a little bit of return on investment. At the end of the day, you've got to have lots of income streams coming in. You never know with this industry. Some go down, some go, some are long term. You've got to spread your risks with a lot of businesses. Otherwise, you just get nowhere. But this just helps, online entrepreneurs or online newbies want to start online business. All the information's here. Okay, just go for it. You can sign up, and any questions and answers, just reach out to me. But it just helps. I do have a team of quite a few 100 people in different aspects of the business. So I do offer this to them. It helps them. Just gives them a little bit of help, and also they bookmark it. And it's just how I'm making an income online. I've been in the business for over 10 years now, so it's all working for me. I will be adding more content in the site. I always find having a website or blog, it's just keeping everything all in one. It's a good base. It's a good base. And also you can share it with your new prospects or whatever. And you might be into, I don't know, some crypto platform, and all of a sudden you want to do something else. As I said, you've got to spread your risks with this industry. Okay, guys. Meanwhile, all the information will be below the video. Just click on it. Any questions, any answers, please reach out to me. And it's all here. I will be adding more. As I said, I will be adding more information in here. Okay, traffic and other platforms I'm doing. And yeah, have a great day. Thank you very much for watching the video. Really appreciate it.